I think we're at the golden age of biopharmaceutical production and support. We're seeing more medicines come to market. We're able to support more and more patients and more customer needs than we ever thought possible 10 to 15 years ago. And for us, what that means is that there's an opportunity to bring more products to patients that are needing those. And for all of us, I think that's why we're here. That's why we want to support this industry. That's why we want to be part of this overall mission statement. And for Fujifilm, the partnership that we've had with Thermo Fisher helps us realize that for all of the customers that we support and ultimately the patients that they're here to serve.
I think from a Thermo Fisher perspective, some of the things Mark said resonate very well with us at Thermo Fisher. He talked about supply resilience and supply assurance. That's the number one most important thing to all of our customers. When you're dealing with patients, when you're trying to change lives and help improve patient care, you must have supply to the market. And so the ability for Fuji to serve the global community with their platforms and with their facilities is fantastic. Thermo Fisher much has the same mindset in that we too have really de-risked our supply chain and want to provide our support to the globe wherever our customers and their patients are. And so I think it starts with that common set of principles. The other thing I think that really came to light when we had our conversations with Fuji early on is they were looking to change the game and create much greater productivity. They were looking to move from large scale alone to being able to offer a solution for customers across the continuum. And so the DynaDrive platform really became that hallmark bench strength solution for them. So we are really excited about this opportunity, this collaboration, and we can't wait to support all of you and all of the patients that you serve together.